Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Thank you.
The cabin is pressurized. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically appear above you. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask firmly toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Please remove your face covering or mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head tight by pulling on the end and breathe normally. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask even though the bag may not inflate.
And what about seat belts to fasten? Take the little end and stick it in the big end, and you know what? If you guys don't know how to use a seat belt, just ring your call button and Tommy will come back there and hit you on the head with a tack hammer because you're a retard.
Well, I've landed in snowy Minneapolis, St. Paul, and I've been here for 2 hours and my cab is not here. They refuse to answer the phone and I've left several messages. So now, looks like we're renting a car, boys. Damn, it's chilly here. I forgot how cold really is. But it's still good to be back. So let's get us a rental car and hit the road. Well, I cannot rent a car because I just need it literally for a few hours to get to my destination. And apparently they will not let you rent a car here, or for whatever reason, for just a day. I have to have it for the entire time of my trip. which I don't need, and I just need it for a day. I cannot rent a car and return it without having a return flight on the same day. What a bunch of BS. So now I'm sitting and waiting for another ride to show up, because I'm kind of keeping my fingers crossed maybe this cab will still show up. They will not answer the phone. They will not return a message. So, and I'm starving. I've been dying for White Castle. I don't know if you have White Castle in your area, but here in Minnesota they're pretty prevalent. And in Florida there's only 2 stores, I believe, in the entire state, and the waiting lines are just literally miles of cars long to get to them, so I haven't had them. And they're not the same in the frozen box, you know, that you get at the grocery store. So I was gonna pick up a Crave case on my way home, and I literally have not eaten today at all, just in the hopes of saving some room for some White Castle and some onion chips. My mouth's watering just thinking about it now. But hopefully we'll be getting some castles here soon, boys. A few sliders, some gut bombs. Well, I'm no longer at the airport, thank the heavens. So there's a little bit of snow. It's kind of a little bit of a change, as you saw from, you know, us departing Florida and ending up here in Minnesota. But this, folks, is why I left. Look at this. See all this crap here? Look how thick that is. That car just pushed that snow up. And this has literally only been happening for maybe 5-6 hours, and that's how much is here. It's pretty awesome. Stopped at the gas station to get some refreshments and whatnot. But now we're off to White Castle, because you know I've been waiting forever for that. And we're almost there. We're about a mile away, so we're gonna get some sliders, and then we're gonna make this like 2-hour trek home. So we'll see you in a moment, boys. So look at the amount of snow on top of the truck next to me. Topper and all, everything is covered. That's a good foot, I would say, of snow on top of his vehicle. So, yeah, be thankful you don't have to deal with that. So when you get the urge or the craving for a White Castle, you literally fly to another state and drive through a blizzard to come up to the drive-thru. They're that damn good. They're so good. We got a new ski, some sliders. Ooh-wee. I have literally been craving a real White Castle, not a grocery store bought frozen food section White Castle. Although they do work in a pinch, but nowhere near as wonderful as a fresh slider.
They don't have White Castle in Florida?
2, I told you.
Oh yeah, that's right. Far away.
Okay, how you doing? Yeah, it's for my YouTube channel. It's for my YouTube channel. I literally just flew in from Florida to get some White Castles and to see it. Yeah. And you're the closest one to the airport.
What's the name on YouTube?
612 Motorsports. Yeah. It's like a car-based channel, but...
Who doesn't like cars?
Exactly. Exactly. Oh, man. You know. He knows. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, you too. I can't even wait to get out of the driveway.
Oh, you're not even going to pull forward. Wow. Is that everything you remembered?
Literally worst night eating today at all.
You saved your old.
I saved my whole appetite today.
Look good. Thought it was still open.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm gonna leave the bell too.
All right. It'll be up in like 2 weeks.
All right.